$1,996.13 off the system. So we're going to go to transaction. We are going to go to withdrawal. And we're going to put $1,996.13. There's a $3 charge to withdraw funds off the system. I'm going to choose my crypto wallet that I set up, and I will receive over in CoinZoom $1,993.13. Gonna click send code. My code is 930490. 930490. And click submit. It will now take 24 to 48 hours to complete. I'll come back as soon as it arrives over into CoinZoom. Okay, I am back, and if you see over here, it took, you can see the transactions over here, 1993. That was a 1996 minus the $3. So that took somewhere between 32 and 36 hours.
Ow.